I think you look like you taste chicken. I want to taste you.
Go try him, Jellybean.
Nom nom nom.
Go try him, Jellybean.
I will. Here I go. Here.
All right, I'll hold the
Here,
camera.
Pickles, hold the camera for me. Thank you.
All right, here we go.
Nom nom. You like yummy.
I think he tastes like chicken.
I think he does too. Let me try.
Bite us it off.
I didn't get it. He bit me. Oh, Kiwi bit me.
Get him on your
Oh,
hand.
he bit me again.
Get him on your hand.
Well, doesn't feel like yummy, little boy. I think I could eat you right. Oh, I think I could eat you right. Ah!
What the?
Come here.
Try to eat his head off.
Tastes like feathers to me. Nom nom, let me eat you.
Move, move. Jellybean, move. This is Kiwi. Say hi, Kiwi.
Poke him in the belly button.
Don't bite me.
Poke, poke. Nom.
I'm gonna turn it off.
Okay.